Hi, welcome to We Are Cosmic Nature, the podcast. My name is Kelsey. Thank you for being here. Happy new moon. We have a new moon coming up June 18th, and I'm going to give you a little bit of an insight as to what that energy brings, just on a real practical level. Thanks, Mercury retrograde. I just recorded this podcast, except LOL, I did not record it. So we're going to do this again, take two. I was sharing that I am curious if you find these new and full moon videos insightful or helpful, if you're getting any key takeaways. And that's because I can feel my energy shifting, and I might be allocating my time a little differently, but I do want to check in and make sure that I'm not taking something away that is super, super valuable for people. So want to make sure I'm giving the best that I can. So please let me know. You can always send me a message on Instagram if you like these. So let's talk about this new moon in Gemini. So the new moon in Gemini is happening June 18th. At 26 degrees Gemini. So if you know what 26 degrees Gemini is in your chart, then you might be able to understand what area of your life may be most affected by the house that 26 degrees falls in. For me, it's my 9th house. For you, it could be your second house, 7th house, 11th house. Again, all these houses correlate to a different area of your life. So you can always look to my free astrology guide or book an astrology reading with me, which is called a 1-to-1 soul session, to dive deeper into what these houses, these areas of your life look like for you. Okay. So loss of energy in this chart. Again, new moons always mean like a new energy, a new focus, and a new moon in Gemini with Mercury also in Gemini, the planetary ruler. Gemini is about, it really is about, it's about learning, but there is an energy of attention and focus because that's what our minds help us do. And that is, Gemini does rule the mental realm. So where are we focusing our energy? Where are we focusing our attention? Who are we communicating with? What sort of words are we saying to ourselves? How can we shift and set a new tone for ourselves in the realm of thinking and taking in information and communicating? Okay, so the new moon itself is squaring Neptune. Essentially what I'm seeing here is there might be a tug of war between how you are thinking, feeling, and like what your intuition is saying, and you're not really sure which to listen to. Might also feel overwhelmed with the amount of either internal or external chaos and not really sure which way to go, who to listen to, whether that be, again, who you're listening to within yourself or on the outside. Now, I'm just always going to lean on intuition because I feel that intuition is our soul communicating with us, and that's more than anything our physical body mind can comprehend. So it's not like intuition versus logic, but also maybe it is for me. I love logic. It helps us to navigate the physical realm, but when it comes to guidance, I go to intuition. So you feel it out, what feels better for you at this time, but there might be a bit of a tug of war for some people. The other really cool thing is Mercury, the planetary ruler of Gemini, is sextile Venus, Mars, and Black Moon Lilith in Leo. So there is like a burning desire, passion, or creative energy, something bubbling up to the surface. And it's time you share the idea or communicate or take the necessary mental action. Maybe that's like just getting some details sorted out, or having a phone call, or learning something about how to move this forward. I don't know if it's a relationship or if it's a creative project or a place you want to go, but there's like a burning fire right now and we need to move towards it, and the energy is there to support you. So yeah, have the convo or sign the contract, whatever it is. I love that energy, actually. And then the other beautiful piece to this new moon is Saturn is sextile Jupiter. So Saturn's in Pisces, Jupiter is in Taurus. And I pulled a tarot card as usual. And I pulled the Emperor card, and I cannot think of a better card that encapsulates this particular energy. So it feels like it's really important. Let me just see actually 7, 12, and yeah, like they're pretty much almost exactly sextile. Okay, so the energy of the Emperor card and Saturn and Jupiter here is this is about wisdom, authority, and grounded energy. This is about guidance and connecting to your inner leader, connecting to your inner authority, connecting, embracing that you already have the skills, knowledge, wisdom within you to do the thing. You don't have to listen to anybody else. You don't have to ask anybody else. You have it. Stand firm in your boundaries, stand up for your values. You have the abilities, you have the qualities of a leadership or to be the leader of your own life. That's what we're calling this. Becoming the leader of your own life. It feels very empowering. So yeah, maybe ideas are coming in, or they've been coming in, and this is the time to move forward. Either way, energy is swift here, and yeah, celebrating you, encouraging you to move forward, or to like set the boundary, or to like commit to the thing. And just, yeah, stand in who you are, Emperor. That is, I think empowered, like a very empowering energy coming in. So I hope that just showers all over you. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know your feedback. And yeah, celebrating this energy as usual. And we will see you at the next full moon. All the best to you.